Yes, this machine is specifically designed to convert waste tire and rubber into valuable resource. Using high-temperature pyrolysis technology, it converts the rubber from waste tire into fuel oil, carbon black, and steel wire. Not only does it solve the problem of waste tire disposal, but it also creates economic benefit. The efficiency is impressive. Our equipment can process 5 to 20 tons of waste tire per day, depending on the model. The entire production line is fully automatic, reducing manual intervention, and it can run 24 hours a day without interruption, ensure both high throughput and efficiency. The fuel oil product is of excellent quality and very stable. Through our pyrolysis process, the oil yield can reach up to 40% to 45%. With high purity, this oil can be widely used in industrial boiler generators and their applicators, make it highly economic valuable. Our equipment is equipped with an advanced waste gas treatment system. All emissions generated during the process are purified through multiple filtration stages, ensuring the meeting environmental standards. Additionally, the equipment does not produce secondary pollution, making the entire process environmentally friendly.